Bro, what are they talking about, man? These daggone conspiracy theorists. There ain't nothing going on out here, okay? I don't care what they say. There ain't nothing going on out here. Alright, this is just normal contrails. Alright? This is not the wrath of Jesus or whatever they call it. That's coming, no. They're not preparing nothing. No, that's not what they're doing, Lord. People, don't be fooled now. This is just normal. This is normal. Okay, this is just normal stuff here. This been going on since the 1820s. People been doing this. Alright, they've been leaving these trails in the sky, you know. There ain't nothing abnormal about this, alright? Now y'all should know that. If you opened up the book of Scientology, it might would teach you a thing or two, because it's definitely not full of crap. The Bible is speaking, not literally, okay? Okay, the Bible not literal. Alright, there ain't nothing different going on out here. These trails and stuff in the sky, man, they've been there forever. Alright? They've been there forever. It's definitely not the elites poisoning everybody with barium and aluminum, which also spells out ball, and that don't mean nothing. That it's just a coincidence. Alright? It's just a coincidence, okay? And all these things in the sky, it's just a coincidence that we see in everything happening today, and it all just happens to line up with a lot of the scripture in Revelation and 1 Thessalonians and many other books in the Bible, okay? It's just coincidence. It's not us. Don't be afraid, okay? Don't fear the Lord, because fearing the Lord is all that's going to do is save your soul, and we don't want you to do that, okay? Don't fear the Lord or his incoming wrath, alright? I mean, but really, what's this guy doing? Over, and then he went, floop. Oh yeah, let's see that? To be sure. To be sure, not about, come on, man. Y'all some conspiracy thirst. Alright, y'all conspiracy thirst. The Bible just a bunch of books and nothing, alright? Just cause all these prophecies came true, don't mean that it's true, okay? Just cause every prophecy that was ever written in the Bible has come to pass, don't mean